Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, you're going to learn how can you delete mails from Gmail in bulk. So at first, just go to your Chrome browser. Click the top right three dot icon here and click on the second last option settings. Now just scroll here and click on site settings, this option. Now just scroll here again and the last option, desktop site, click on it. Click on here to make it on. Now just go back and in the search bar search for Gmail. Now just zoom in and click on Gmail Google. Now here you can just at least delete 50 mails at once. To do that, just click on here, this option, and click on this delete bin here. Again, to delete mails, click on this option and click on this bin here. If you do this a few times, you can delete all of your mails in bulk. So guys, that's how you can delete all of your mails in bulk. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.